Welcome to WordPress Interview Questions and Answers with Positive Zenith. Are there opportunities for non-technical contributors, such as writers, translators, and designers, to play a vital role in the WordPress community? Absolutely. Non-technical contributors play a vital role. Writers can enhance documentation, translators make WordPress accessible globally, and designers improve the platform's aesthetics and user experience. The WordPress community values diverse contributions. Can you explain the process of submitting code contributions or improvements to the WordPress core, themes, or plugins? To submit code contributions, individuals start by creating patches and submitting them on Trac for Core, or by using the WordPress.org repository for themes and plugins. Contributions undergo review and testing before being incorporated. Can you provide examples of well-known individuals or teams who have made significant contributions to the WordPress community? And how have these contributions impacted the platform? Notable contributions come from various individuals and teams, such as Matt Mullenweg, WordPress co-founder, and the Automatic team. Their contributions have driven WordPress's success, resulting in continuous improvements, innovations, and millions of satisfied users. How can developers and designers contribute to the WordPress ecosystem? By creating and maintaining open source themes or plugins. Developers and designers can contribute by creating and maintaining open source themes or plugins. They can submit these to the WordPress.org repository for public use, enhancing the platform's flexibility and functionality. How do WordPress core contributions work, and what is the process for submitting patches and improvements to the platform? Contributing to the core begins by creating patches for improvements. These are submitted on Trac, WordPress's ticket tracking system. Developers review and test the patches, leading to eventual inclusion in core releases. It's a collaborative process that requires adherence to coding standards and community guidelines. How does the WordPress.org repository function? And what are the guidelines for submitting themes and plugins to the repository for public use? WordPress.org's repository serves as a platform for themes and plugins. To submit, developers follow submission guidelines ensuring security and quality. Themes and plugins undergo a review process before being publicly available. This maintains the repository's integrity. What are the different ways in which one can contribute to the WordPress project and ecosystem, such as code contributions, support forums, and documentation? Contribution avenues include code development, translating, supporting users in forums, and enhancing documentation. The diversity of roles accommodates different skills and interests, providing options for diverse contributions. What are the WordPress Community Code of Conduct and Guidelines for respectful and inclusive interactions, and why are they essential? The Code of Conduct sets guidelines for respectful and inclusive interactions within the community. It is essential to ensure that everyone, regardless of background, feels welcome and valued. Upholding these guidelines creates a positive and inclusive environment. What is the WordPress Trac system, and how does it facilitate the management and tracking of core contributions and issues? The WordPress Trac system is a ticket tracking system that helps manage and track core contributions and issues. Developers submit patches and tickets on Trac, and the system organizes the work, tracks issues, and facilitates collaboration among contributors. Why is contributing to the WordPress community important, and how does it benefit both individual developers and the platform as a whole? Contribution is vital because it leads to collective growth. Individuals benefit through skill enhancement, reputation building, and networking. The platform benefits from improved code, documentation, and support, ultimately enhancing the experience for millions of users. It's a win-win scenario. Quick, informative, and ready for more? Subscribe to Positive Zenith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay tuned for more in-depth interviews and interview preparation videos.